In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a derailleur on a bicycle. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to remove the chain. To remove the chain, see the chain removal video. I put a link in the description and it will show you how to do that. Okay, once the chain is separated, then what you need to do is you have to put the two parts of the chain through the derailleur after it's installed, and then you can connect the cable after that. Okay, so I'm going to install the derailleur. Now it has to be on the right area in order to reach the chain, which will enable it to derail it. Okay, now the chain has to go through the derailleur, like so. Now the chain has to be reattached first, and then we can adjust the derailleur to the proper height. Okay, so now I'm going to reattach the chain. Okay, now the derailleur shouldn't be too high as to disrupt the chain from normal function and to enable it to shift the chain, and it also shouldn't be too low as to interfere with the chain wheel. So it has to be adjusted accordingly. So there you go, how to install a derailleur on a bicycle. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.